Did you know that many websites are hacked not because hackers are clever, but because the website has an obvious weakness? In this video, we look at the biggest reasons some websites get hacked more than others and how you can protect yours. One of the most common causes of website breaches is outdated software. This includes your website platform, plugins, themes, and server software. Hackers often scan the internet looking for websites running known vulnerable versions. Keeping your website updated is one of the simplest ways to improve security. Weak passwords are still one of the easiest ways for hackers to gain access. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. A few extra seconds logging in can save a lot of trouble later. Not all hosting providers offer the same level of protection. Quality hosting often includes security monitoring, firewalls, malware scanning, and backups. Choosing hosting based solely on price can sometimes create bigger problems later. Every plugin adds functionality, but it can also add risk. Unused, outdated, or poorly coded plugins can cause vulnerabilities that hackers exploit. Only keep plugins that genuinely add value to your website. If your website doesn't use HTTPS encryption, visitors may see security warnings. SSL certificates help protect information transmitted between your website and visitors while improving trust and SEO. Imagine losing your entire website overnight. Without backups, recovering from a hack, server failure, or accidental mistake can be difficult and expensive. Automated backups are essential for every business website. Many websites are launched and then forgotten. Unfortunately, hackers often target neglected websites because they are easier to exploit. Regular maintenance helps keep your website secure, fast, and performing at its best. Most website hacks happen because of preventable issues. A secure website doesn't require complicated technology. It requires consistent maintenance and good security practices. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share it with other business owners who could benefit from these tips.